Welcome to Learnship, Innovate. Today we'll be talking about how a learning environment can adapt to the highly mobile and flexible lives of today's work environment.
I read the other day that 71% of millennial learners primarily consume the content on mobile devices. How do you think our Learnship mobile app will help with that?
Oh, I think it's going to help massively. I mean, considering that the majority of the workforce these days is composed of millennials, and I think I read a figure that it was 90% of millennials that have their mobiles on them, 100% of the time, 24/7. It's really about meeting our learners where they are, giving them anytime, any place access, making sure that they can access their learning whenever and wherever they want.
Yeah, very true. I know this about myself. I carry the phone all the time, and I know that 64% of our learners expect the content to be consumable on their mobile devices.
Well, and it's a great thing that we're continuing to invest pretty heavily in our mobile experience then, right, Gero?
Exactly. I think going forward, we're going to keep bringing innovations and our latest products into the mobile world.
Absolutely. Hey, Gero, should we maybe take a sneak peek at our mobile app now?
I think that's a very good idea. Let's do that.
Let's do it. So you can see that I've got a course that's already in progress. We see a little button here, which allows me to download the course if I'd like, so that I can work in an offline setting if I don't have great connectivity or if I'm taking a business trip and I'm going to be on an airplane, for example. So I can download. There we see that the unit has been downloaded. And I can also go into any of these activities and start completing the activities. As you can see, the examples here or the experience here is very similar. It's very mobile friendly and it's very similar to what we would see in the web application, just on a mobile device. So now I'll click on check answers. You can see I've not completed anything. So I can also navigate through the different activities through this menu up here. I can have a look at different types of interactivity that I have access to on the mobile app. And so on and so forth. Now let's exit out of the activity and see what else I have access to via the mobile application. So I can go to my profile. If I need to access anything that's important about my personal information, change my email address or my phone number or change my password, I can do all of that here. In the hamburger menu, I can also choose my interface language. So right now I'm viewing it in English, but if I want to see it in Italian, I can do that as well. Let's go back to English and see what else we've got. If I want to have a look at the help sites, I can do that here. If I'm having troubles with the application or with any of the content, I can access our help sites here. And if I want to go to check out my downloads because I'm in offline mode, then I can do that here and I can access what I just downloaded. So that in a nutshell is our mobile application. And I hope you've enjoyed the demo and that you enjoy using it wherever you may be.
Great demo, Aisha. I think this shows we're dedicated to meet our learners wherever they are and wherever it's convenient to them.
Absolutely. And Gero, I'm excited about this whole September 2022 release as a whole. And I think all of the components of it are really spectacular. But for me, the mobile app release is just really the most exciting one. It's really putting efficiency in the hands of our learners. It's making sure that they can learn in the quickest, most efficient, most effective way possible because we're giving them their learning literally wherever they are. And, it's for me, it's the most exciting part of this release.
Yeah, absolutely agree. I think the mobile app is a true game changer. We're going to continue adding products, new ones, and also existing ones to the experience over there. Thanks for joining us today, and we're looking forward to the feedback to this product.